Before I start this video, I want to say big thanks to all the guys who are becoming my YouTube channel members. It helps a lot and I really appreciate that. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable your PP settings in Sony FX3 or FX30, and it's very straightforward. You just need to know how to do it. So let's just jump into that. So if I take my camera and I press function button, what will happen is I will come here and I can see the PP settings here. And even in setting, you have the PP as well, but I'll access this through here. So if I come here, it's grayed out and it's saying PP is off. Why? Because Sony FX3 and FX30 most of the time are being in log shoot settings, and they are in Cine EI or Flexible ISO or Cine EI Quick. If you are in these, you are in log shoot settings, and if you're shooting log, you can't access your PP settings, you can't have PP settings. So what you need to do is you need to turn it off. So to turn it off, we will go to menus, and in menus I'm gonna go on the shooting, and in shooting I will go on image quality and rec. I will come here, I will scroll down till I see log shooting settings, and here once I come here, what I'll need to do is I will need to click on off. Once I turn it off, we're not shooting log. Whatever we'll shoot will be baked into the video. So this way you will have the PP settings as well, which are from Sony A7S III and all these. So what will happen now is if I turn it off and I go back out of the menus and I click on function button again, and now if I go to the PP settings, you can see I have the PP settings and I can literally toggle through. So if I go to PP4 or PP5, so if you was using any other Sony cameras which were having PP settings and you came to Sony FX3 and you're kind of not happy with this workflow, you can have your PP settings here, you can work with this, it's all there, you just need to do how to enable it. And this is pretty much it. You can literally go in the settings of PP and you can change them as you have in A7S III and all the other cameras. So I hope this video was helpful for you and it gave you a good idea how you can do the PP settings or enable the PP settings in Sony FX3 or FX30. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.